boys are quite open and confessing that they do masturbate. So what do you think? Do girls masturbate as well?
Yes, they do. I do. I myself do, and I'm open about that. It's healthy and it's better to teach them at a very young age.
Do girls masturbate as well?
Yes, they do. Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, they do, and there is nothing wrong about that.
Definitely, I have friends who are open to it. They're telling me about it. So yes, people are.
What do you think? Do girls masturbate?
For sure.
They do it. Of course, they do masturbate. Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They do?
I also think they do.
I think everybody does, and it's a very normal thing to do, I guess.
Yeah, I think it's a very natural process, and it is somewhere necessary and healthy to do it. So there's nothing shame or anything to hide about it.
Do girls masturbate or not? They do.
Mostly girls do.
So are there any particular kind of sex toys they use to do it, like dildo or through fingering?
Yeah, they use. I think maybe toys in foreign country. I don't think in India. आजकल हर जगह ऑनलाइन है, हर जगह है, और वैसे भी घर पे आजकल हम देखते हैं कि मोस्टली गर्ल्स देखती हैं कि इसको हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं.
Might be they used. I have heard about the tool, Gigolo, I think. I am not. Dildo, yeah, dildo.
They use dildos, of course. Yes, and we are standing somewhere very near where we can get such stuff.
Do you think they use some particular kind of sex toys, dildos, or do they do it by fingering?
Without sex toys.
No, that depends. Whatever way they want to do it.
Well, that depends upon people to people, but I don't know about it. They maybe do. I don't know exactly what, yeah.
I don't know. I don't know anyone who's using such things, or maybe even, for that matter, not even me.
I don't know anyone personally who uses a sex toy, but I think there might be few people.
Are there any particular kind of preferences in terms of places, like bedroom or washroom?
Even that depends. Whenever or whatever way they want to do it, or whatever place they find more comfortable.
Man, we can masturbate anywhere. That's I don't think a place has got anything to do with it. It's when the need is. So it's a natural, I guess, sort of a reaction wherever you are. If you're comfortable enough, why not?
It can be anywhere, like anywhere, like bedroom or washroom.
I think I would say bedroom.
Place preferences, yeah, everybody I know has a lot of different place preferences.
Where I am from, I'm from US, and I've seen people everywhere.
I'm also from America, so I think I have seen it everywhere. So I don't know about India, but I've seen mostly everywhere, like every corner of the place you see.
Are there any place preferences for girls for masturbating?
Majorly, they do it in private. Why would they go for outside?
आई थिंक मोस्टली गर्ल्स तभी करती होंगी जब उनके मदर फादर घर में नहीं होते होंगे. वॉशरूम ये होता है कि वॉशरूम में ज़्यादा गंदा सा लगता है उन सबको, तो दैट्स वाई
बेडरूम.
या बेडरूम जब मम्मी पापा ना हो तो.
Maybe bedroom or something.
या लाइक वॉशरूम और बेडरूम एज यू सेड.
How often girls do it?
I guess in a week, I guess 2 to 3 times in a week.
Once a week?
Once a week.
Or whenever they are feeling it. It depends on them how the girl
Depends on their horniness.
Masturbate, I think once or twice a month.
I think once a week.
If I talk about the friends or myself, then probably twice or thrice a week.
I think हफ्ते में 4 बार.
How often do you think they do it?
Depending on person to person, that's something very personal. It depends. Like whenever they want to have, they can.
Boys do every day.
They every day. All right. Would you be interested in getting a hidden tattoo done?
Yeah, of course, why not? Even my parents won't allow, but I will try my best to hide it somewhere in the shoulder or somewhere.